Morning. So today, me and Dad are in at the workshop. It's the last weekend before we go back to work from lockdown, and we're moving the wagons about because we need to get pictures of the Scammells. So I might get some videos of the Scammells down there. Got the just about to start mine now. When I say mine, it's the gun tractor, the R100, and then move on to the SV2S. Can't remember now. I'll remember it in a minute. But yeah, move on to that one. So hopefully get a close to that video, but I need two hands, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Probably. Here we go. Good old proper British engineering. And throttle. Still good. Open. Leave that there, see what it's like, yeah. One problem, that it was up when we put it away. Hopefully it's nothing serious, because you can't buy them anymore. Nah, of course you can't. Luckily I think we've got a couple of spares, we'll see. There again, she's unwrapped there. And then just about to jump in and start it. Hasn't been starting like anyway, it hasn't been out the shed in 3 or 4 years. So, well, more than 3 or 4 years now. Aye. Let's get her started. Here we go. Let's get her started up there. Check she's in neutral. Let's power. Toot toot. Right up. There again, she's forward there. Hunky dory. A bit smirky. Smirky. Lovely man. Whew. So I'm sitting in the recovery at the minute, Amanda as we call it, and because Dad never quite finished restoring it, there's little things to do on it. One thing he didn't manage to get done is his stop cable. should be a stop cable, so of course you can stop it if you want. Old stuff, it doesn't run off a key, off a solenoid. You pull a cable and it pulls the pump and knocks diesels off that way. I'll try and show you. Hold on. So here we are, there's engine, there's Gardner 6LW, proper British. So this currently is a stop cable, which is a bit of rope. You can see, pulls that. There's also, on the Scammell, because the winch is, that shouldn't be like that, that's gonna chaff, because the winch is so good, if the winch was starting to pull too much, it would throw out a sensor, for lack of a bit of a word, which would pull this and stall the engine, so you don't pull too much pressure on the winch and cause damage, which is clever. Good old British engineering. British engineering. So, this is the kill switch at the minute, which is a bit rough, let's say. It's a bit rough. Works, but it's a bit rough. I'm going to try and make a bracket up so I can run this. We're not sure, on mine it runs into the dash, but we're not sure whether it has to or not. So I'm going to make up a bracket so we can run this and have a proper stop cable. So the cable that was originally in the cable inner, was actually too short by a few inches. So I went in shed and found, here again, some new cable that fits in the original cable outer. There's a pull stop in. So, but the cable is slightly too thick to get through the hole for that to nip up. So just got to drill it out for a second. Just drill it out. Carefully, see if I can video it. Very carefully. It's only brass like. Didn't even want to stop the drill. Worried about snapping the drill because it's not my drill. Let's have a look for another drill. Back in the wagon now. I've drilled the pull handle loop. So now I just need to route this. We'll run it into this hole because it's a nice hole that's accessible if you need it to be. I'll run it down here, I'll tie it into my video, so crap. Run it through here, doing the floor, locate it into there, and I'll run it down to there. It'll be hunky dory. So I got the cable in, routed in, I'm going to put it in, and found out that it's about ½ an inch too short. So what I'm doing, it's not the best thing in the world to do, but needs to be done, is this is an old bike spoke of a scrap wheel I found. It's bent to fuck. I didn't bend it like that, it was always like that. So what I'm going to do, straighten this out, run that through there, that through the clevis, and then cable lock or chock block or whatever you want to call it, that onto the cable, and that should work hopefully. So I've had a change of plan. The cable will be long enough when I get the adjustment onto it. I didn't realise there was adjustment in another place, which is good. So once I get the adjustment onto here, this is out of an electrical plug, like a 3-pin plug. I've cut the end off, it's over there somewhere, and I'm going to file that down so that fits into that gap there, something like that in there. I can come in and then I can lock the cable into there, and hopefully that should pull it lovely and be hunky dory. So I filed the pin down. Let's put the trailer for a minute so I can show you. There you go, filed it down. It fits in that there, like that. It does fit from the other side. And get out, man. Get out, man. Ah, there we go. So it goes through there. Cable will run through there, and hey presto, lock that into there. Be hunky dory. I'll have a proper pull cable now. So she's been running a few minutes. Let's knock her off, eh?